so cold. My goodness, I'm sitting here in my office freezing. I do hope you are all a lot warmer at home. Oh, I might be brave enough to take off a few layers so you can see, yes, it's Mrs. Noble, underneath all of these coats. My goodness. It is winter, isn't it? Winter has come. Welcome to another junior school assembly for our primary students. I wanted to say this morning a very well done to all of you for working from home. I think you've done a marvellous job. It's so hard not being able to see our friends, isn't it? We're really hoping soon that things can go back to normal, but well done for what you're doing. I want to say a particular well done to Year 5 and to Year 6 students. Last week, they filled out a survey for us to tell us what it's been like to work at Baobab at home. Well done, Year 5 and 6. Thank you so much. So, without much more ado, I want to introduce you to this week's assembly, and it's been done by Year 1 Mapani.
Hello everyone, and welcome to one Mapani's class assembly. Zoom, zoom, zoom. This assembly is all about positivity. A is for always being kind. Is for be brave. B is for calmness. D is for dream big. E is for energy for life. F is for being friendly and fun to all. G is for giving flowers to my friends. H is for happiness. I is for include others. Zoom, zoom, zoom. K for kindness. L is for love. M is for music. N is for never saying never. O is for opportunity. Yeah. P is for peace. R is for ready. I am ready to go back to school. S is for smile. Put a smile on your dial. T is for thankfulness. Always remember to say thank you. Thank you, Michelle. Yeah. U is for unconditional love and happiness. V is for value the small things in life. W is for winning. Yay! X is for extraordinary. Yay! Y is for yippee! Z, pop, that's the end.
Good morning and welcome to today's assembly. In today's assembly, Hope House has a couple of certificates to hand out to students. So we'll start from well done from Marbury Bush. Now in Marbury Bush we have Kian, and Kian being awarded for knowing his psalms well. Well done, Kian. We move on to Reception Gdynia. In Reception Gdynia we have Ying Xin, and the award is for trying so hard in literacy this week and sending in lovely pieces of written work. Well done, Ying Xin. We move on to 1M. In 1M we have Gerasmus. Gerasmus is being awarded for making excellent progress in reading. Well done, Gerasmus. We move on to 2A. In 2A, we have Angelos. Angelos is being awarded for stepping up with his presentation on Seesaw. Well done, Angelos. In 2F, we have Diana. Diana is being awarded for completing all her tasks on Seesaw independently. Well done, Diana. We move on to 3J. In 3J, we have Tiana Rogers. She's being awarded for working independently and for helping around the house during Baobab alone. Well done, Tiana. We move on to 4T. In 4T, we have Vihan Yadav, and Vihan is being awarded for doing excellent research on the United Nations Declaration of the Right of a Child in a lesson called PSCHE. Well done, Vihan. Then we move on to 6M. In 6M, we have Kriyako. Kriyako is being awarded for working extremely hard to catch up with his work. Well done, Kriyako, for working very hard and continue doing so. We have another award coming from the music department, and this is given to Amanda King, and this is for great progression in singing. Well done, Amma, and well done to Hope House. Keep on keeping.
Good morning, Falcons, and good morning to everybody. I have some Falcon merits to read out today. The first merit is going to Ayan in Musekesi, and this is for beautiful letter formation. Well done, Ayan. The next merit goes to Malaika in Year 1 Jasmine, and this is for working hard and always doing her absolute best. Well done, Malaika. The next award goes to Twataizia in Year 2 Acacia, and this is for continued enthusiasm to complete all her backlog on Seesaw. Well done, Twataizia. The next merit goes to Walusungu in Year 2F, and this is for putting in effort with all of his numeracy work. Well done, Walusungu. I have a merit for Shekinah in Year 3 Lilac, and this is for doing her best and completing all her work on Seesaw. Well done, Shekinah. And last but not least, I have an award for Ayana Desai in Year 4M, and this one is for continuing to show such fantastic enthusiasm for learning. Well done, Ayana, and well done to all the Falcons.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Eagles headquarters. It got a little bit chilly in here, so I'm sure you are all looking forward to hear some heartwarming merits. So here they are. The first Eagle merit this week goes to our youngest Eagle in Bush Babies, Priya Patel, and she's receiving a certificate for outstanding work posted on Seesaw. Well done, Priya. The second Eagle Merit this week goes to Siske van der Merwe in reception Hanisako, and she is receiving a certificate for trying hard in all areas during Baroba platform. Well done, Siska. 5 hibiscus, the merit goes to Mulube Chilamuela for trying hard to complete all his work independently and being an enthusiastic Google Classroom user. Well done, Mulube. 5 Syringa, a high-flying eagle this week goes to Ahmed Hamir, and he's receiving a merit for his great effort in numeracy assessment. Keep it up, Ahmed. And the last eagle for this week goes to Gabriela Zaravica in 6 Ebony, showing great commitment towards her work. Well done, Gabriela, and well done all the eagles. Keep up the good work, keep warm, and keep safe.
Hello everyone. I'm going to read out the AR certificates. We have a Super Reader Award for Namwangola. Fantastic work. I'm really proud of you, Nana. And then we have a Word multi-millionaire. This person has read over 3 million words. That's absolutely fantastic. So, a really huge round of applause, yay, to Aryan Desai. Well done, Aryan. I'm very proud of you. Please, everybody, keep up the reading, keep doing the quizzes and logging in those quizzes and results. Thank you very much.
Good morning, everybody. As promised, here are the results for the ELC Key Stage 1 Sports Day. In third place, we have Falcon with 124 points. Well done, Falcon. In second place, we have Eagle with 125 points. Well done, Eagle, which means our winners for this year's Sports Day is Hawk. Well done, Hawk. You had a total score of 138 points. Congratulations. Well done to everybody who took part. I hope you had fun, and remember, you are all champions.
I was built to be the best, number one and nothing less. Lead me to my destiny. I have waited patiently. I have vision, though I believe. I know I can count on me. So stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up, stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up, stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up.
Good morning, everyone. This week's handwriting license certificate in Year 2 Acacia goes to these children who have tried really hard to improve their cursive writing. Congratulations, Ryder Henderson, Ibrahim Limbada, Ndanji Zulu, Archie Patel, and Dimitri Eftimu. Well done, children, and the rest of you, boys and girls, keep trying your best.
This week's handwriting license from Year 2 Flamboyant goes to the following children. They have tried really hard on their cursive handwriting. Congratulations to Lukman Mukaddam, Mohammed Patel, Bhavya Patel, Cora Waddell, and Gia Klassen. Keep trying, boys and girls. Next week it might be you.
Good morning, children. This week's cupcakes goes to the Year 5s. They are getting the cupcakes for putting in extra work doing revision for tests and also completing their work on Google Classrooms. Well done, Year 5. Enjoy them.
Well done to everyone who has participated in this assembly. A lovely assembly by Year 1 Mopani. Thank you, children. Next week's photo competition is open, so that means you can send us a picture of anything you like as long as you're in it. This weekend it's Father's Day on Sunday, and just want to wish all our fathers, uncles and granddads a very happy Father's Day. And children, Friday is a holiday, so you've got an extra day this weekend to catch up and enjoy some fun time. Have a lovely weekend, everybody.